Changing your profile picture on OneDrive is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Sign into OneDrive. Open your web browser and go to the OneDrive website. Enter your Microsoft account credentials to log in. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select My Account or View Account. Step 3. Navigate to the Profile section. In Account Settings, look for the Profile or your Info section. Click on it to access your profile details. Step 4. Change your profile picture. In the Profile section, you will see an option to change your profile picture. Click on Change Picture or Upload Picture, then select a new image from your device. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting the new image, make sure to save your changes. Your new profile picture should now be updated across OneDrive and other Microsoft services. Now you can enjoy your new profile picture on OneDrive.